Friends, welcome to Spoton. Today we are in exhibition. We have displayed all the coffee machines here. You can see the semi-automatic coffee machine, steamer, grinder. This is automatic coffee machine. Again automatic coffee machine. This is Expo Bar 2 group coffee machine. And this one is Kanil on-demand coffee beans grinder. Frankie coffee machine. This is La Kimbali Casadio brand 1 group coffee machine. This is A2 2 group coffee machine. This is something special, La Kimbali M21 Junior complete stainless steel machine. Again the premium one, M39 coffee machine. This is La Kimbali coffee beans grinder. Again 2 group coffee machine, and this is our favorite and something unique coffee beans roaster, small one, but this has a very good capacity to roast the good quality of coffee beans like this. Thank you friends, give us a call for any kind of your coffee machine requirement. Thank you.